Hello, how to solve this exponential problem? This is 2 power 3 power 4 power x, and this equals 512. We are solving for all values of x that satisfies this equation. So now the base here is 2, so we need to express 512 in its exponential form. 512 is simply 2 to the power of 9, because 2 to the power of 10 is 1024. So 512 is 2 to the power of 9. That means we are going to have 2 to the power of 3 to the power of 4 to the power of x equals 2 to the power of 9. Now remember, if you have a power n and this equals a power m, the bases are the same, so you have n equals m. And from here, you can easily have 3 power 4 power x equals 9. You can equate the power. So what we are going to have will be 3 power 4 power x, and this equals 9. So we are solving for x, and the base here is 3. I can also express 9 in its exponential form, which is 3 power 2. I'll have 3 power 4 power x, and this equals 3 power 2, which is 9. Once again, the bases are the same. I compare or equate the exponents. I have 4 power x equals 2. 4 is a perfect square. I can express it as 2 power 2 raised to the power of x, and this equals 2. So what you're going to do is to multiply this exponent. You have 2 power 2x equals 2, and this 2 is to the power of 1. Bases are the same again. You compare the exponent. You have 2x equals 1. We solve for x, dividing this by 2, dividing this by 2. 2 eliminates 2. S equals 1 over 2. That is the value of our x. So the next thing we're going to do is to check. Let's insert this particular value back. So we have 2 power 3 power 4 power x, and this equals 512. So 1 over 2 for x, I'll simply have 2 power 3 power 4 power 1 over 2 equals 512. Now, if you have a power b power c power d, you start with the top exponent, which is c power d. So in this case, you start with this top exponent, which is 4 power half. So you have 4 power half. This is just like having square root of 4, and which is 2. So 4 raised to the power of half is 2, so this is 2. I'm going to replace it with 2. Now, next step is I'm going to have 2 power 3 power 1 over 2. Okay, that is 2. That means I'm going to have power 2. Because the whole of this is 2, I'm going to replace it with 2. And this equals 512. I'll consider 3 power 2 again. So what is 3 power 2? This is 9. I have 2 power 9 equals 512. So 2 power 9 is 512, right? That's 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is it 512? 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 1, 2, 8, 2, 5, 6, 512 equals 512. Both sides are the same. That shows the answer is correct. So guys, this is how you solve this cascaded exponential problem. What you do is to ensure that you express this number here in the exponential form. In this case, it's 2 power 9 because the base here is 2. You express this in terms of 2. Now the two bases are the same. You compare the exponent. You have 3 power 4 power x equals 9. And that brought us here. the bases are the same. Again, you need to make the bases to be the same. Express 9 as 3 power 2. Compare the exponents again. You have 4 power x equals 2. 4 power x is 2 power 12 power x equals 2. Multiply this out. Remember, a power n equals a power n times n. You multiply this out, you have 2 power 2x equals 2 power 1. From here, you have 2x equals 1. Isolate x, divide by 2, divide by 2. And from here, you have x equals 1 over 2. So guys, that's how you solve it. Easy. Thank you and bye.